Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the gadget is physically in your inventory and not in storage. Find it now. Once done, equip it to a quick item slot so you can bring it up mid-fight without opening menus. Make sure the gadget has charge, replace batteries, or pick up an extra cell in the next room. You do this because downtime kills momentum. Keeping a spare lets you move through shadowed corridors without backtracking. Now use the gadget with intent. Tap the assigned Quick Item button for instant deployment and hold only when precision is needed, such as aiming a scanner. Once active, move deliberately. Backpedal while shining a light to keep sight lines open and reduce surprise contacts. Make sure to pair stealth devices first. Noisy electronics attract more enemies and waste resources. You do this to control encounters and conclude by deactivating and stowing gadgets after contact to conserve battery and reduce accidental noise. Store extra cells in safe boxes between segments. If a gadget stops working, reload the last save or immediately switch to an alternate device to avoid getting trapped. Make sure to inspect nearby panels and wiring. Environmental clues usually tell you which tool to use and why. If everything else fails, retrace steps slowly and listen for audio cues. They point you to the missing interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.